everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Vanilla card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to log in to Vanilla card online, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in www.myvanillacard.com and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page, you'll be able to see the sign-in area. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box associated with your account and type in your password on the next field. Once you enter your information, you can click on the sign-in button. But in case you've forgotten your password for your account, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After clicking the sign-in button, you'll be able to get access to your Vanilla card online quick and easy. After logging in and getting access to your Vanilla card account, you can check your balance, view transactions, find and reload locations, and get quick access to your account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.